comparison between fuse and MCB. Okay. So here MCB is one of the device. So MCB is nothing but miniature circuit breaker. So it used to protect the overload protection and it's also short circuit protection. MCB is used to protect the overload and short circuit. Okay. So here comparison between MCB and fuse. First, fuse melts the wire when the fault occurs. If any fault is occur, this fuse will become melt. Okay. Fuse melts when fuse wells. Okay. When fault is occur. That means use amount of, if the use amount of current is high amount of current is passing through the fuse, then fuse melt. Okay. Then that means this, for example, fuse operating range is, let us assume 16 amps. For example, 16 amps. If the fault current is above the 16 amps, that may be 20 amps, 80 amps, 100 amps. If that much of current is passing through the fuse, then fuse melt. Okay, it acting as an open circuit. But here, MCB cut off circuit when fault occurs. Okay, under fault condition, just open the contacts. MCB is automatically open the contacts when fault is occurred. Okay, understood? If it is here, if this fault is occur, so it melts. Okay, fuse melts. But here is just cut off the circuit. It's just like a open circuit when fault is occur. Fuse wire available may not be standard rating. Okay, fuse wire available may not be standard rating. There is no standard rating of these fuse wires. May not be available standard rating of the fuses wires. Okay. Thus, MCB is available for standard rating. Standard ratings of this may 16 amps rating, 240 volts, 16 amps ratings. Okay. For example, 10 amps, 240 volts, 230 volts. This type of ratings are available in MCB. MCB available standard ratings, but there is no standard ratings for fuses. Fuse wire is available may not be standard ratings. Okay, there is no rating of fuses, fuse wires. Just like, so we are placed in series with the your devices. So MCB is also connected in series with your device, but it's having some rating. Okay, so 240 volts, 16 amps, otherwise 230 volts or 10 amps. Like that, these operating standard ratings are there. And here operated at 50 to 100% overload capacity. Okay, so 100 operated at 50 to 100% of overload capacity. So here this is operated at 5 to 15% of overload capacity. Okay, this operated fuse operated at 50 to 100% of overload capacity. That means full amount of current is passing. So that's operated at 5 to 15% of overload capacity. Okay. Here hand tools are required to rewire the fuse when blow off. Understood? Blown off. Hand tools are required. Simple tools are required to rewire the fuse when blown off. Okay, in fuse. So it is very simple to made. Okay, it is very simple to made. So hand tools required. Rewire the fuse when blow off. Okay, so no hand tools are required to this. In this MCB, no hand tools are not required to reset. No hand tools are not required. Okay. No hand tools are required to reset. Okay. After fault occurring, okay. So by pressing the switch, by moving the pin, so you can reset. But here, by using a rewire, replacement of the wire is required. But here there is no wires here in this MCB. There is no wires. Just by pressing the button, by pressing the pin, you can reset the. No hand tools are not required here in MCB. Just moving the pin in upward direction or downward direction according to our requirement. Okay. So, but here the hand tools are required in rewire the fuse when blow off. Okay. Cheapest among all safety devices. Because of just wire is connected in series with your device. Cheapest among all safest safety devices. Okay, MCB, LCB, HRC compared to all protective devices, this is one of the very cheapest among all safety devices. Initial cost is very high. This initial cost of the MCB is very high. Okay, and then fuse board mounting arrangement is not compact. Fuse board is not compact. That is called mounting arrangement is not compact here. Fuse. Here MCB board or mounting arrangement is compact. MCB mode is compact. Compulsory is required. MCB board is required. So your board is not required. Just place the fuse wire in between the appliances and power supply. Mounting arrangement is not compact. This is about the comparison between fuse and MCB.